नमस्कार.
Speaker, sir, under Rule 49(2) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I may be permitted to postpone unstarred LAQ number 25 in the next assembly session. Speaker, sir, in starred LAQ number 9C of Honorable MLA Ganesh Gaonkar, figure in reply to A may be read as 443 as against 414. Figure at serial number 10 may be corrected as 32 as against 03.
Speaker, under Rule 49(2) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business of the Goa Legislative Assembly, I may be permitted to reply on star LAQ number 109 in today's list for 12th August.
आम्ही आयच्या
Speaker, sir.
प्रश्नकालाकडे या.
Speaker, sir, with your permission, with reference to the assurance given by me during the question hour on 3rd August 2015, where discussion was held on the starred LAQ number 1A, tabled by Shri Rohan Kaunte, MLA, the following is placed on the table.
पहिला प्रश्न श्री फडकेकर. दुसरा प्रश्न श्री विश्वजीत राणे.
I may be permitted to ask question 2C.
2C.
Sabhavati Mahashay, as per computer sheets submitted to the House.
Because I would like to know from my colleague and friend Mr. Sudhin Dawrikar is what is the importance the PWD and the water supply department gives to, I've got this on augmentation of water and all, what is the importance they give to such projects? Whether they have any framework for having it completed in a time-bound fashion or just the importance is mentioned through the question.
Sabhavati Mahashay, उदा म्हणजे अमृत आणि हे अमृत प्रत्येका दिवपाचें काम गव्हर्मेंटाचें. गव्हर्मेंटान शपथ घेतल्या 2017 पर्यंत 24/7 हे अमृत सगळ्यांक दितले, कमीत कमी पैशांत दितले आणि त्याचेच हे इम्पॉर्टन्स आसा.
Because the reason why I'm asking this question to my colleague is actually taking a cue from him itself. We have started 3 projects. Actually, Sattari must be the only constituency where we had targeted water treatment plants per panchayat after taking a cue from you only. आणि आजपर्यंत आता 3.5 वर्ष झाली. In 3.5 years, the projects that should have been completed long time back have not yet been commissioned. One is the Gureli water treatment plant, second is the Khotade water treatment plant, and third one is the Nagargaon water treatment plant. Now these 3 water treatment plants, I would like to know from the Honorable Minister if there is any time frame for commissioning these water treatment plants which are long overdue to have been commissioned.
Sabhavati Mahashay, सांगपाक बरें दिसता आनी वायटूय दिसता. 2007 खरें म्हणजे ह्याची नान्नी जाली, ह्या प्लांट ते 3 प्लांट हांगा नोट केले ते, आनी 2007 हाजो एस्टिमेट करून एक्सपेंडिचर सँक्शन आयलें. 2007 नंतर ते टेंडर जावपाक जाय आशिल्लें ते 2009 जालें आनी 2009 ते 2012 मार्च पर्यंत ह्या काम जें आसा तें काम कंप्लीट जावना. कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांक पयशे दिवना, ताका जी कनेक्शनां इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हाडपाक जाय आशिल्लीं ती हाडूना. आनी त्या नंतर 2012 जेन्ना आमी टेक ओवर केलें आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटान, तेन्ना हे जे प्लांट आसा सावर्डे, मागीर त्या नंतर नगरगांव, पोरये आनी गुळेली अशे जे टोटल 4.5 MLDचे प्लांट, आनी ताका जे कंप्लीट हें करून फाटल्या 2014 आमी ते कंप्लिशना व्हेले आनी 2015च्या बिगिनींग आमी उदक मॅन्युफॅक्चर करपाक लागले आनी उदक सप्लाय करपाक लागले. आतां तातूंत त्रुटी आसा, त्यो त्रुटी काडपाची आवश्यकता आसा.
Because my third supplementary and very brief is that the Guleli water treatment plant has been commissioned partially, but the water tank that was built, the water doesn't go there. due to which this is going to create again a problem in terms of supply of water. As far as the Nagargaon water treatment plant is concerned, still they have to connect the village of Shigne. And as far as the Savadde water treatment plant is concerned, the most remote area of Savadde Panchayat, that is Bandirwada, needs to be connected. These are basic things that are pending. Will the Honorable Minister give me a commitment that all these three issues will be taken care of before you formally inaugurate all these three water treatment plants?
Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता I have already answered that तातूंत जे त्रुटी
This
आसा
specific- नाही, this specific
आमी हे
issues.
इनॉग्रेशन करनासतना हे प्लांट चालू केले. एक्चुअली म्हाका ते दवरपाक पूण लोकांचे आनी तुमचे हेका लागून हे प्लांट आमी 2000 बिगिनिंग ऑफ 2015 चालू केले. हातूंत त्रुटी आसा. वी विल
Only Gudeli is commissioned. Only Gudeli is commissioned. Savadde and Khotade, which is in Nagargaon, which caters, is not yet commissioned.
सभापती महाशय ज्योत कितें त्रुटी आसा. In 3 months we will try to sort out and give every house.
I just
water
want, Honorable
connection
Minister,
of filtered
no,
water.
तुम्ही करतले, I am convinced that you will get it done, but I just want you to take these 3 points. One is this tank which is not functional in Goeli Panchayat, before formally inaugurating it. Second, in Savadde Panchayat, my remotest area of my Savadde Panchayat, which is Bandirwada, which has to be only connected. People have been without water for many years, and this will solve their problem. And Shigne village in Nagargaon Panchayat, whether this particular village, which is there as per the original estimate, is connected. I just want you to look at these 3 things before you formally inaugurate it.
Because sir, this will be completed within 3 months.
श्री लहू मामलेदार.
स्पीकर सर, 3 वर्सां जालीं 24/7 उदक सप्लाय करताले म्हणून गोंयान. ते खंय पावलां, ते केन्ना आमकां मेळटलें, ते आमकां माननीय मंत्र्यान सांगचें. त्याच प्रमाणे जें उदक शॉर्टेज जाता, शॉर्टेज म्हळ्यार भायर वता, तें उदक कमी करपा खातीर, भायर वचपाचें उदक कमी करपा खातीर तुमी कितें उपाय केल्या आनी ते खंय पर्यंत तुमी सक्सेस जाला हें आमकां सांगचें.
सभापती महाशय घरचे सदांच पोटफुगे आसता. घरचे पोटफुगे म्हणटा. सभापती महाशय, जो प्रश्न विचारला तो प्रश्न संबंद गोंया अनेसुरीन ताणें विचारिल्लो आसा आनी म्हाका खूब आनंद जाता सांगता आसतना की वॉटर हें अमृत हें हांवें सांगलां आनी हें प्रत्येक घरांत पावपाक जाय हो सरकाराचो मनपसून प्रयत्न आसा. सरकारान घेतिल्ल्यो स्किमी, मागीर त्यो जैकाचो 100 MLD प्रोजेक्ट एट सांगेगांव, 27 MLD प्रोजेक्ट एट गांजे उसगांव जावं, 25 MLD प्रोजेक्ट 27 MLD प्रोजेक्ट एट ओपा आणि 25 MLD प्रोजेक्ट एट गांजे उसगांव. हे जेन्ना कंप्लीट जातले तेन्ना सबंद कॅपेसिटी जी आसा ती जवळ जवळ 215 MLD उदकान वाडटली. त्या शिवाय म्हैसालचो 10 MLD प्रोजेक्ट जो आसा तोही कंप्लिशनाचेर आसा. आणि त्या शिवाय तुमच्या मतदारसंघात 2 प्रोजेक्ट आमी घेतला. 15 MLD चांदेल वाडोवपाचें ठरयलां. त्या शिवाय 20 MLD आमी पेडणेच्या वयल्या भागात प्लांट घेवपाचो ठरयला. आणि हे सध्या प्रिलिमिनरी स्टेजीर आसा हे दोनीच्या. गोंय आजच्या परिस्थितीत 14 लाख पॉप्युलेशन आसा. साधारण 400 MLD उदक दिसाक जेवपाक खावपाक म्हणजे पर्सनल युजाक जाय आणि साधारण 120-125 MLD उदक बाकीचे जी आस्थापनां आसा, इंडस्ट्रियल आसूं किंवा एज्युकेशन इन्स्टिट्यूट आसूं किंवा हॉटेल्स अशें आसूं, तांकां जाय पडटा. द फ्लो ऑफ ट्युरिस्ट जेन्ना आमचो येता साधारण जुलय, ऑगस्ट, सप्टेंबर आणि त्यानंतर साधारण 20 ते 25 MLD पर डे आमी कॅल्क्युलेट करता एक्स्ट्रा वॉटर. आणि हे सगळें धरले नंतर आज जे आमचे कडेन उदक आसा तें उदक जाय तितलें आसा. जाय तितलें म्हणजे साधारण 600 MLD उदक आमी बारीक मोठे प्लांटांनी मॅन्युफॅक्चर करता. पण बिकॉज ऑफ आमचो जो NRW आसा आणि वेस्टेज ऑफ वॉटर आसा ती आज 30 to 35% आशिल्ली ती आमी 22% हाडल्यान कितलेशेच जाग्यार, फॉर एक्झाम्पल वास्को उदकच मेळनाशिल्लें मार्मुगांव तालुका. पण टुडे ऑन एन एवरेज वास्कोक एका मनशा फाटल्यान 150 लिटर ते 175 लिटर उदक मेळटा. पूण तरी आसतना हे सगळे NRW जर आमकां कंट्रोल केलें आसत, नॉन रेव्हेन्यू वॉटर आणि वेस्टेज जर आमी 15% आसत त्याच उदकान आमचे सगळे गोष्टी जावं शकता आणि तो प्रयत्न सरकाराचो आसा प्लस 200 mld एक्स्ट्रा उदक आमी अंदू प्लांट कंप्लीट करता आणि ते लोकां पर्यंत पावोवपाचो प्रयत्न करता.
श्री मोन्सेरात.
Speaker, sir, this is my third term in this assembly. And all these PWD ministers, consecutive PWD ministers, I've been hearing the same thing that 24 hours, everyone will get water 24 hours. In 2013, this government had announced that that by 2015, people will get water 24 hours in every house. This is already mid of 2015. Will the government tell me that water will be supplied at least 12 hours and whether argumentation or water supply scheme or any other reservoir is constructed to have regular water supply of water?
Adhivache, I have already told that to improve the system in Tiswadi Taluka, Ponda Taluka, we have already augmented a water supply at OPA by 27 MLD, which will take care, especially in his constituency, in Santa Cruz, Taligaon, Panji, Kumarjua, Santandre, where there is a tremendous shortage of water, which we fulfill the required amount.
श्री सिद्धार्थ कोकाळेकर.
माननीय मंत्र्यांक आमचो आयटम नंबर 11 आत्ता ताणें म्हणलें 27 MLD हो केन्ना पर्यंत कंप्लीट जातलो?
सौदी मातशें म्हाका सांगपाक खूब आनंद जाता. हो प्लांट साधारण 75% ऑफ द वर्क इज ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड आणि जे पायपलायन आसा ती पायपलायन अजून आमकां ही 27 प्लस आनी 10 MLD त्या पायपलायनांतल्यान आसा त्या पायपलायनांतल्यान आमी ओडूं शकता. So any time after December, we will see that you will get water from this as well as Mahesal Dam.
आम्ही फुडल्या प्रश्नाकडे या प्रश्न क्रमांक 3 श्रीमती जेनिफर मोन्सेरात.
To ask question 3A.
3A, yes.
Speaker, sir, India has about 40 to 60 species of shark, out of which 47 are threatened and are found in the Arabian Sea. 6 of these are critically endangered and 6 endangered and 35 are vulnerable. Over the years, their population has decreased due to overexploitation. Because of this, the Ministry of Forest and Environment of Goa has included 10 shark species in Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act to stop the illegal hunting and poaching. Unfortunately, it seems that the government of Goa permits the sale of these species in the market and baby sharks are sold too. I would like to ask the Honorable Minister, how serious is his department in implementing the ban, and are you aware of the 10 species of sharks included in the schedule?
Speaker, sir, what the Honorable MLA has said is absolutely right. The government of Goa under Ministry of Forest and Environment has banned killing of certain species of shark under the Wildlife Protection Act. And my department is fully aware as to which are the sharks which are banned. They are the white-tip shark, hammerhead shark, great hammerhead shark, smooth hammerhead shark, and so on. And my department is taking all precautions to see that these sharks are not caught. The Department of Fisheries has circulated copies to all the fishing jetties and societies to enlighten the fishermen, like whenever they catch these sharks, they should be released immediately. So, and all the jetties also are managed by our Fishery Department people to see that no sharks have been caught.